Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to make your social media experience better. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add text to your Facebook story on your Android device. Facebook stories are a great way to share your daily moments with your friends and family. Adding text to your story can help you convey your message more effectively and make your story more engaging. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on the Your Story icon located at the top of the screen. This will take you to the story creation screen. From here, you can select the type of story you want to create, whether it's a photo, video, or any other option available. Once you have captured or uploaded the content you want to use in your story, tap on the AA icon located at the top of the screen. This will bring up the text editor, where you can type the text you want to add to your story. You can customize the appearance of the text by selecting a font, color, background, and alignment. This will allow you to make your text stand out and complement your story's content. To select a font, tap on the font option and choose from the available options. You can also change the color of your text by tapping on the color option. If you want to add a background, tap on the background option and select the color you want to use. Once you have customized the appearance of your text, you can resize and reposition it on your story by using pinch to zoom and drag and drop gestures. This will allow you to place the text exactly where you want it on your story. When you're happy with your text, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Finally, tap on the Share button to publish your story on Facebook. And that's it. Adding text to your Facebook story on your Android device is as simple as that. With just a few taps, you can create a visually appealing story that will grab your followers' attention and make your content stand out. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks.